news that came in from Karnataka was a shocking one. To imagine trying to stuff nearly 14.2 kgs of gold in your jacket. And now imagine that you try to get past the customs at the airport wearing gold worth over 12 crores. And finally imagine doing this multiple times over and over again in a period of 2 months. So what would you do it for? Is it money or coercion? We'll tell you about this great nexus that has happened between the Indian stars and the Dubai gold mafia, with the Kannada actor Rania Rao, who was arrested at the Bengaluru International Airport with over 14 kgs of gold stuffed in her jacket, with the DRI and the customs now swooping down on her after her Dubai trip and a tip-off that they had received. They detained her on Sunday night, and when they carried out raids also at her residence. Now, when it comes to all that has been recovered, we've also obtained exclusive statement from the actor herself regarding her alleged involvement in the gold smuggling case. In a detailed declaration recorded what is now being said at the Kempegowda International Airport in Bengaluru, she allegedly has acknowledged that 17 pieces of gold bars were seized from her possession, where she is also a wildlife photographer and a freelancer in real estate based in Dubai, that provided her background information confirming that she hails from Bengaluru and had elaborated on her family and professional life. Additionally, she has also disclosed her recent travels across Europe, America and Middle East, including multiple visits to Dubai and Saudi Arabia. Now, the gold smuggling probe against the Kannada actor Rania Rao that has revealed that she had concealed part of the consignment by taping gold biscuits around her thighs, and initially officials suspected that she was wearing a jacket containing over 14 kgs of gold, with the DRI in the court argued and termed Rania Rao as a threat to national security, and is now investigating her extensive foreign travel, especially when it comes to Dubai. 27 trips that has been made alone, and 40 other countries as well where she has visited. Officials are now probing the source of the smuggled gold in Dubai and identifying potential buyers here in India. Now, the DRI is also investigating whether Rania Rao was part of a larger syndicate.
Rania case, how is that, sir? Anybody?
No, we don't know. We don't know.
She traveled to several countries, sir, Rania, and
DRI is doing that.
So that's a part of the investigation that is ongoing. With that, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.